Join us today as we go and do our project again for the homestead. Remember, we're doing everything by ourselves, at least as much as we can do by ourselves. So today we want to go and do the windows for the plan that we have. The plan that we have is got one window in the front and a door and another one at the back. This will be the kitchen window. So we decided that with the quotations that we had taken, we were comparing using aluminium, using the steel regular windows, as well as doing it ourselves using wood. So we noticed that a 1.2 by 950 window, which is the kitchen one that we need here, was going to cost us $120. And then this bigger one, the front window, which will measure 1,800 by 1,700, is going to cost us $270. So we thought with that much, 270 plus 120, we could make better windows using teak. So my husband is a very good designer, so he came up with this plan, this design for the front window, and there's another one for the kitchen window. Unfortunately, I'll show you on the description box there. So this is the window that we were going to make today, but it's a lengthy process because we're going to be doing it by ourselves. It's going to involve a lot of labor. So the process involves us going to the timberyard to select timber, and then going to the factory to machine the timber, that is planing it, and then we cut it to size as well. It will be a lengthy process, but I'm sure it's worth it because after calculating, we realize that it's a cheaper method compared to buying, and it's going to come out beautifully. So today, come with me, join me as we go to the timberyard and we select the type of timber that we need. We've already done the measurements. I'm going to show you the list of timber that we are going to buy, and you can also do it. I think we are now ready to go to the timberyard to select our timber. And when we are selecting the timber, we're trying to get the best timber that won't have too much machining to be done. So we'll do that together. But what do we need to carry with us? We need the cutting list. We need the tape measure so that we measure the proper length. And of course, today is a very hot day, so I will definitely need my hat. So let's get going.
Ma 1.4.
1.4.
Nama 1.8.
25.
Hi, ama 38. Yeah. So,
Ahora problem 1.4.
yeah.
So tell them 1.4 inside.
What about 1.4?
1.4.
1.4.
Okay. Comment. 1.5.
I'm 50 la.
Otherwise,
Padili brown ovus. Ngazi kungali lokhuza liyahle. Sefuna itafula. Hayi leli lifuna ukwenza i-village.
这一次我真的睡着了。这一次我真的睡着了。